Okay, I'm going to fly along the Calico Hills. Those are them off in the distance there. And I'm going to start at the south end on the right and fly up to the north end over there on the left. And I'm flying out of Red Rock Canyon, so I'm actually over here on the west side of these hills. Normally I fly from Calico Basin, so I'm on the east side, so it gives me the opportunity to explore a little different area of these hills than I normally fly. I've had several dozen flights with the Mach 7 so far, and I've had 3 failsafe incidents already. This is the third one. Fortunately, all 3 failsafes had great results, and the drone turned around and came back home. On the first couple of failsafes, the OSD screen froze up after it disconnected, and that lasted for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then the image returned back onto the OSD screen, and I was able to take the sticks and go ahead and fly normally. That seemed to have canceled the failsafe. This flight was a little different. The OSD screen came back on after about 6 seconds, but the sticks didn't work. I had to actually push the failsafe switch down and hold it down in order to cancel the GPS rescue. It's really easy to lose line of sight when you're flying in mountains like this. You think you have it until you don't. That's pretty much what happened here. I wanted to explore that red sandstone cap out there in the distance, and as I went off to the right there, I could see the signal strength dropping at the last few seconds. Coming up here, you'll see the signal strength drop from 25 megabytes per second down to 0. That all happened in about 2 seconds. I punched the throttle to try and rise up, but it was just too little too late, and we had a disconnect and a failsafe GPS rescue. Notice that the OSD screen freezes up for about 6 seconds when the connection is lost. At this point, I'm just happy that the drone is returning home just like a DJI drone would do, and so that's always a good feeling. But I take the sticks and I try and fly it to continue flying since I have a good image on the OSD screen, but nothing happens. And I tried several times with the sticks. Finally, I tried taking the failsafe switch and activating that. Didn't work. I tried numerous times. At this point, I'm thinking I may have to just let it return all the way to home. Although it's flying painfully slow, it's going to take a while. Since this flight, I've already gone into beta flight, and I've changed the ground speed for GPS rescue from 17 to 23 meters per second, and hopefully that'll do the job. Pitch control is a little bit erratic. It tends to porpoise up and down, but it is maintaining a straight direction right back home, so that's good. Finally, I just held the failsafe switch down for several seconds, and that seemed to work. I got control back. And then I was just able to continue the flight and finish it up.